Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I have a very mini Pandora haul, but I'm so excited to share this charm with you guys. It is from the new Disney by Pandora Cinderella collection. I am just so excited about this collection. If some of you have been following me on my adventures over at Fashion Storyteller, you'll know that I'm a psych student right now and I'm on a strict budget, so I could only get one piece from the collection, but oh my gosh, there's this gorgeous Pandora purse. It's a Cinderella coach carriage theme. If you buy 4 pieces from the collection, at least that promo is going on here in Canada and the USA. And I wish I could do it, but this month, especially with just student fees heading into the next, second semester and all of that, just not able to make it work. But I decided just to treat myself to one of the charms, and all of them are on my wish list. So at some point, I'm hoping to get them all, but decided to pick out one special little charm, and I'm really excited to take a look at it with you guys. So if you are ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. Of course, I'm having a delicious oolong tea from David's Tea. It's so delicious. And if you guys notice, I don't know if you can see on the camera there, I have it in my Shop Disney Cinderella mug. This one is retired now, but it's very special to me. And Cinderella in general is so special. You actually might be able to spot behind me, like right, can you see that shelf over there? I don't know if it's capturing on the video. That's my little Ella, and she was named after Cinderella, and my guinea pigs are kind of like her mice. I do have a bracelet, all Cinderella inspired by her. I'll leave a link up above the screen right now on where you can find that video, but Ella, Cinderella, very near and dear to my heart, but also just what Cinderella represents and having courage, being kind, and not giving up on your dreams. There's so many magical things about Cinderella that I think are so special, and I'm really excited to share this charm with you. So without further ado, virtual cheers, and let's head on over into today's unboxing. I am so excited to share this charm with you guys. As soon as I saw it, I knew it'd be a special one to add into my Pandora collection. It is called the Disney Cinderella's Carriage and Heart Double Dangle Charm. It retails for $125 Canadian, and it is made with 14 karat gold plating and sterling silver. It features beautiful and magical blue enamel detailing as well as blue cubic zirconia. On the back of the charm, it reads, "A dream is a wish your heart makes," and it has beautiful twinkling stars that are engraved around it. And then, of course, you can see a little look at the bail. So there's cubic zirconia on the bail, as well as the center of the Pandora carriage, which you see right here. And then it's a double dangle charm. So here's a close-up of the sparkly, magical blue enamel detailing. It's like glitter. It is so pretty. It reminds me of one of the Disney charms I got recently. And then here's another look at "A dream is a wish your heart makes." Now I have another charm from the 2015 Cinderella Pandora collection that has the same inscription on it, and that is found on my Perfect Ella Cinderella inspired pet themed bracelet. But this one, I want it to represent my school dreams, my ambitions and goals that I have once I complete my studies. So this is going to be a little symbol of that. Now the bail here, you're seeing the details where you can find the hallmarks, the ALE, the Disney logo. They're all on the bail there. And did you spot all those tiny little stars going all over the bail, including that blue cubic zirconia star? So pretty. Here's a size comparison, just in case you're curious how big it is. It's kind of the traditional standard Pandora double dangle size and everything. It's really pretty. Now I'm going to be wearing it as a necklace pendant. I think it's just so gorgeous, and at least for right now, I just think it's going to be a beautiful necklace pendant. I paired it with my 14 karat gold plated Pandora necklace chain. This chain is so beautiful. It was in my 12 Days of Pandora advent calendar, and it just looks so pretty. I'm really excited to style this with my O pendant design I'm currently wearing. I received 2 Christmas gifts that I'm wearing on my Pandora O pendant. Both Disney. I actually just filmed that video and posted it. I'll leave a link up above the screen right now on where you can find it. But I think these 2 charms match so beautifully with the Cinderella charm, and I wasn't actually even planning that. So I'm very pleased with how this looks together. So happy. Anyway, that is it for today's Pandora mini haul video. I would love to know if you guys picked out anything from the new Cinderella collection or other Disney pieces. There's a new Disney bracelet, a couple other pieces that look so magical. I'd love to know if you picked out anything from that, or in general, the new Valentine's Day collection that just released too. There's so many pieces on my wish list, but as mentioned, student budget, so I gotta behave and strict, but sometimes you just need to treat yourself to something a little bit magical and special. So I'm so excited about this, but I'd love to know, what are you guys getting? What's on your wish list? Please let me know down below. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.